so high. If you don't know how to fly, aim for leisure to make you fly. Sky is so high. If you don't know how to fly, aim for leisure to make you fly. Here we go.
Wow. Java is there. That is so cool. Thank you so much. I'm happy. So, are you all happy that I'm not making you all come and interview? Yeah.
Well,
That is very weird. The reason why we do that is so that you all get a habit of talking. Okay? It's nothing. We know each other already. Right? There are some people who don't like to talk in this class. Okay. I just want, before we start, even guys online, I will try and figure out how to involve you guys, but I want to promise that nobody will cheat today.
yes,
In the game.
Which means
No, no, I want to promise that none of you will cheat. You all will do exactly what I ask and nothing more. Only then we can know who is going to win and who is going to lose. Okay? So before we get into the game, I was thinking we will go through discussion first. So you guys know whenever we go for a daylight interview, you will be having a round which will be group discussion. You all know that, right?
yes.
So what will happen is they will give you a topic. Okay, you guys need to discuss amongst yourselves. Alright? And after that, everybody has to talk about whatever you all have decided. Points have to be decided. You all want to make a note of it, if you can remember, that's okay. Okay? What the person will be judging is when you all are deciding and discussing, the person taking the interview will be checking who is contributing. Okay? Who is giving valid points? Are you aggressive? Okay? Or are you too passive? Both are, not really good. We will also be looking at your leadership skills, right? Who can take a lead? Who wants to talk? Who doesn't want to talk? Because end of the day, this job is all about talking, your PR skills, how well you can handle situations, right? So here we will be just seeing how good we are at taking the first step, okay? No hiding behind the second person and stuff like that. Cool? Okay. So I will be giving you guys a situation. You all need to come up with solutions, right? And after that, one points will be told to me by whoever wants to say. Okay? If you keep quiet, then that is going to keep you weak, not me. So it'll be good people who don't really talk if you all take this to talk. Because the points will be discussed. You don't have to think, right? You just need to speak. So the guys who don't talk and the girls who don't talk, this is the time to do that. Alright? Okay. So first we'll go with one side and then we'll go with the other side. Guys online, I'm giving the situations. I will try, okay, I can't move the camera, but I will tell the guys to come near the phone. We will discuss. People online, you all want to put your points, please give your points out, okay, for both the topics. Okay. First, we'll go this side because you are close to the camera. Your topic is okay. So you guys are in a restaurant. You all are the managers, okay? The manager, and it's a very busy day in your restaurant. Okay, you have too many people and you're short staffed. Okay, you're short staffed. Food is not coming out onto the tables as fast as it should. People are irritated. Especially there's this one table where the child is crying. There are two kids and they're crying. They are crying at the top of their lungs. Parents can't manage them. Okay? Then there's another table of youngsters who are now calling for the manager and saying, we've not got our food, we waited for 20 minutes, and now there are kids crying. What kind of a restaurant is this? You, as a manager, need to manage the situation. Right? So I want to know what are the tricks that you're going to use. How are you going to talk to these people? How do you manage the whole situation? I'm going to give you guys exactly 10 minutes to discuss points, handle both the situations. Kids crying, another table irritated because of the kids, as well as the food has not come there for 20 minutes. They've been waiting for 20 minutes. Okay? So start. and discuss a little loudly, guys. Come ahead because the camera is here. So the guys online will also be taking a part. Just come. Just following that. Yeah. You can also see your this is just being all of us are just one class. It's just can you know then go ahead, please. So please involve the guys online also. Talk loudly, they can also hear you guys, okay? Don't give your pointers. After they are done, if you guys have points, we will discuss that as well. But for now, let them...
Jana, come.
Please involve them as well. Right. So talk loudly, discuss things. Please come ahead, huh? Come ahead, guys. All of them come ahead, take the first row as well and discuss. Guys, online, if you all have any points, please start talking. Loudly, huh? Right? They should be able to hear what you are discussing. And English, right?
मुझे 10 मिनट है कल के तरह नहीं आना
Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, the voice is not clear.
Okay, guys, can you talk loudly so
Yeah,
we can hear what your points are? Please,
Yes, ma'am. Voice is not clear. Voice is very, very
please
breaking.
come ahead and talk even to them, involve them as well.
क्या करेगा लेकिन बात कर
Now you can hear us, right? Yes. Hello.
No, it's actually breaking.
On.
Wi-Fi is the Wi-Fi.
No, it's connected.
Wi-Fi is okay, तर यहाँ पर इधर से बताओ.
Ma'am, video is not clear and audio is
Actually,
not
we
clear. ma'am.
close the video and the audio is only on because the mobile is in my hand right now.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have a situation over here. There are two, like a restaurant manager, and there are two tables. Okay, and the one table where the baby is crying continuously, and there are another table where the people are waiting for their food from last 20 minutes. Okay, so there are two situations, and there are less staff with us. So how can we manage the situation? Understand, guys?
Yeah, yes.
Hello. So what we can do, we are waiting for last 20 minutes. We will apologize them, okay, for inconvenience. But what we can do with the baby, because the baby was continuously crying, right? Or there are two kids actually.
If we have any playground or play something, we have to send them into play there.
Sorry, what? Where we can send them?
Navani, slow.
Where we can send them?
If we have any playground or play something like that, we have to send them to play there.
No, it's a restaurant, na. So, there's no
If we
playground
have
over
any
It's a
kind
restaurant.
of that. Yeah.
We can apologize.
That will be the first one.
Could you please explain one more time?
Yes, sure. The situation is we are the restaurant manager, okay, and there are two tables, and we have a less staff. There are two tables where two babies are crying, okay, continuously they are crying, and there are another table where the people are waiting for their food from last 20. And they are also irritated because that two childs were continuously crying. So we are the restaurant manager. Then how can we handle that situation?
Like we can handle the situation by doing teamwork. Like
Yes, but how? We have a less staff over there, and the restaurant was full. The restaurant is full, and we have a less staff with us.
So first of all, we have to apologize to make them convenient.
No, they are participating in the I can tell them I'm exiting this. No, I will not be able to exit any. Everyone, I'm exiting the lecture, so I'll not be able to admit anyone. In case anybody wants admission, ask them to message me on the group. Okay? And you all convey it to me. Thank you.
Look. We can apologize for them, and we offer them some complimentary drinks. Okay, so they for some while, okay, and for that baby we have a less staff, so we can handle that baby, right? So what we can do, we ask their parents. Okay, we also offer them because they are also in 20 minutes. Okay, so we can also offer them some complimentary food and anything, and like drinks, and we tell their parents to like your baby is continuously crying, so can you please go for some time, so like the baby will be comfortable, right? You can do that, no? If we have any, like, if we have a paper and pen with us, no, so we can like give that baby to draw something, right? We can give them paper pen, not that paper. Paper pen to draw. So that time of billing. Okay, that we can offer a time of billing, but that's optional. Okay, found as well. We are into business. The first one we have to continuously apply with. ठीक है? हाँ. Like how? And we can give them compliment, like a compliment to the puppy. Okay. So I like them to what? Tell their parents to go out with them. Go. हाँ, the thing I'm telling you ना. And the second option can put them a paper. They can draw. And give them complimentary drink as well, or ice cream. Ice cream dessert. Right? Right ना? ये बोलना नहीं को. ये सब मेरे साथ करते हैं. हाँ, we can give them pepper pen to. Our first option will like we tell the parents to go outside. If they don't agree, then we can provide them with paper. हाँ, or else we can like give them chocolates का वगैरह. हाँ, chocolate or any complimentary ice cream. Sweets, anything.
Take walk.
Out. Just show one. Infant है बोलने का. Mani said infant.
They're infant. They do. I said I don't know a question. They are kids. Okay, so who's going to start? Anybody summarizing the
Take a walk.
Stop. Everybody like that. Tell me, come on. Start. Who's going to start talking? Any other? I just want everybody to talk. So please, start. Start with summarizing the problem and then the solution.
Like this, we have a problem where we have restaurant management and we have a problem. Like we have a limited staff and many guests were coming in our restaurant. Okay, and there are two tables where the first table where the kids were crying continuously, and we have a second table where there are couple. Okay. So they were waiting for their food from last 20 minutes, and plus they will get irritated with that kids because they are just next to them and they are continuously crying.
Everybody got the situation? Yes. Now I want one point from everybody. What will you do?
We can offer them a software for everyone.
All of
For the
them.
couples and the possibility that babies will have kids.
Maybe you
These are parents.
beverage.
Yeah.
Any type of beverage. Free beverage. Okay. What else can you do?
We'll find the reason why the child is crying and try to make them stop.
They are irritated of waiting for the food, which is not ready. Because of the wait 20 minutes they are waiting, kids will get irritated. So what do you do?
As a team, the solution is we have to divide ourselves, like those who are going to attend to the food and make it easy and ready for them. Then some other people who are going to meet the beverages or ask whatever they need and attend to them accordingly.
Okay, so you think manage the staff better.
Yeah.
Okay. What else?
For that baby, they are crying continuously. So we can, the food is not ready yet. They have their food. So we can ask their parents they are comfortable, it happens because the baby like the kids were sitting there like for 20 minutes. So we can ask their parents if they are comfortable. So till the food get ready, they just go outside and have a walk. Okay, and then after they come, till the time they will serve the we will serve their food also. And if they are not agreed, then we can give them a complimentary drink as well. If they
Drinks is already given all of them.
so just so we can.
You can't tell them go outside and play because your kids are irritated. They will tell you, but they are irritated because of
No,
you.
we just suggest them. Otherwise, we can if you have paper pen also, na, so we can give the kids a paper pen to draw
Much
something.
Much better.
Like we have two suggestions. If they agree with first, so we can give them second. If they denied the first option, then we can give them second option.
Okay. So, on this weekend, first of all, we are going to thank you very much. Very good. Then the next. Not discussed, right? Okay.
All points
Only 10 minutes, you only had 3 points. My goodness gracious, do you guys have anything to add? Yes. Please, there is always.
We try to make food as soon as possible.
Definitely, the chef will do that. But as a manager, what are you doing?
Manage the waiters.
That she already said. Manage the staff better. That she said. That's it, then go ahead.
Yes, there is most of the restaurants there is a kids room always. So we can tell the staff that one of the staff that you can go and suggest to the family if they are comfortable.
Restaurants don't.
India, we don't have.
But there is so many restaurants. Which restaurant are you telling? No. Like, what is the situation? It's a restaurant, right? Which restaurant you've seen taken? None. Let me tell you. None. Okay. Anything else? So practical solution. In the practical solution.
There are only side stations for each staff. So the staff can actually manage that. Like the manager can
Guys, you all could not come up with anything. At least listen to the person who's coming up with something, right? Give us that.
The manager can suggest two of the staffs to handle one side station. So one of them can do the clearance and one of them can.
That's managing the staff. She said that. That they're doing. Anything else? Not anything. Put better music, right? Very good. Yes.
So that he'll be busy waiting, like he'll be excited for waiting for his offer.
Good. So interact with the kid. Right. That's very good.
Distracted.
That is good. That's very good. Anything else? Anything?
We try to convince, we try to convince that he will come within 5 minutes or let's say.
You have to. Very good.
Get some sweets like get out of
Free dessert.
field.
Free dessert completely on your house. Good. Very good. That's very nice. Yes. Yes.
But then we can turn on night shift.
Entertainment. That's good. Of course.
Or we can, if they are so much irritated, we can give them a discount as well if required. So the 5%.
Drinks on the house. If I was to hire somebody today in school, I would only if I was taking interviews and I had to hire, I would only hire because they were the only ones interacting, coming up with solutions. Rest everybody is whispering to each other. I don't understand what is this romance going on. Everybody is whispering. Here there's somebody standing and observing, right? Leadership skills. What leaders going for, right? Nobody. Right? You have to take command. You have to talk. People have to hear you. I only got to voice. That is it. I would never hire anybody. right? Even if the points are not good, right? But at least I need to see the effort that someone is putting in. Get it? Please do better. Please do better. Please do better. Okay. So for you, I'm gonna give you a different kind of situation. Okay. So there is a ship that is sinking. Okay. And there are 5 people on it. There's a doctor who can cure cancer. All right.
Just cancer.
He has, yeah. And please can cure. Okay. There's a ship which is sinking. Okay, Google that. There are 5 people on it. There's a doctor who's found the cure to cancer. Okay?
Who's found the cure to cancer?
Yes. Okay. There is a criminal. Okay? There's a mother. There's a woman who's pregnant. There's an old guy. Okay? And then there is a teenager who's come out of rehab. You know what rehab is? Yes. Okay, perfect. So you can save any 3 of them. I want to know who are the 2 people you will not save and why? Who are the 3 you're saving and why?
Let's start. So I'll start. I'll give the situation. The situation is there is a ship that is sinking and there are 5 people on that ship. First is the doctor who has the cure to cancer. Second is a teen who has recovered from a rehab. Third is a pregnant lady. Fourth is a criminal and fifth is an old man. So we are going to rescue 3 people. The rescuing 3 people are firstly the doctor, second the pregnant woman, third is the teenager guy who has recovered fully. Fourth we are not saving is criminal. And fifth is the old man. My team is going to illustrate why 3 are being saved and why
The pregnant woman wants to save because they have one more life in years.
So it would be like yes, is covered and yes, he wanted to live life as because he wanted a bright future. Doctor. Okay, why the doctor?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you turn your camera a little bit?
Pardon?
Turn the camera a little bit. I'm unable to see.
We are not saving the criminal guy because it's a risk. Like we have only 3 life jackets, and in that if we give one, then he's again gonna go out and commit a crime. Yeah, so it's a risk to save his life. Say it in English. Come on, make it 3 Okay, no, you tell me.
So the conclusion, the old man he said. So the conclusion is.
He didn't say anything what you
I think say it again.
So I'll just say it again. The old man, anyways, he has lived his life and he's almost close to death, has been getting old. So it's fine if he is not safe. And the conclusion is like if you do good deeds in your life and you are like helpful to other people also, then you will be safe, and not by doing stuff which will hurt anyone or anyone.
And it's not your either.
What?
Nothing will happen there, but it is about priority. Okay, very good. Very good. I really like how you all interacted. Okay, you took lead of the voting, which is also good. I really love you. I must say you did a very, very good job. Okay. Seriously, you were very good. Please keep it up. Your points were good. The way you spoke was very nice, very polite. Your pitch was perfect. It was just absolutely wonderful for a group discussion. Okay? Really, keep that up. Very good lead. Good points. All of them. Kita needs to talk a little more. You were quiet. Your explanation was good, but try to give your views also in a good fashion, okay? Otherwise, everybody did a good job. I'm very glad you also gave some thought on the edge. I think you guys definitely will do so. Okay? So I'm going for your time. That's it. Okay. Oh, sorry. You all have something more to add? Sorry, I just want to ask.
Okay, so as they all said, they will save doctor, pregnant woman, and the teenager, and old man and criminal will die. Okay, but what I think, if we try till the doctor have that cure, okay, for the cancer, but the doctor will prioritize the another one because it's a duty of doctor to save another person's life. Okay, so doctor will think to save others, not to save himself because he have that medicines or anything.
Okay, but the fact is that he's not selecting, you are selecting, no?
But he can deny it also, na? If I'm selecting him, he can deny because
nobody will deny. Don't make two more situations in one situation. Nobody will deny. You are choosing things. If you want to choose another and not the doctor, give me a valid reason why. They gave me a valid reason as to why the doctor.
Okay, so if we are selecting, no one have anything to say, so we can save these three people only.
Nobody wants to give the criminal another chance.
No, because if we gave him another chance,
anyway going to get punishment.
If we give another chance, so he will get in jail only. He will go into jail only.
So after the hang to death, so it's waste to save him. Yeah.
As I said, there's no right or wrong, it's everybody's view. Someone would say the thinking.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay.
Ma'am, for me, like we have to.
Any other point?
Hello. Okay.
Yeah, go ahead, we can hear you.
Okay, ma'am. According to me, like we have to save all of them because our duty is to save all of them, whether the person is criminal or what. We have to save all of them.
That is true, but you don't have leverage to save everybody, right? You have only 3 life vests, and you can save only 3 people.
Okay, okay.
So do you want to save somebody else apart from the 3 that they have selected?
No, actually they are right then.
So then, okay, perfect. Okay. So very well done, guys. You guys also very well done. But please talk more, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, my God, so competitive. Yes, right. Okay. You want to take a quick break for 10 minutes because the other game might go on and it's running on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now this game, I have made this game, this is Namor game, okay? So it's on my phone. What I am going to do is, I'm going to share the link with you guys, okay? You all share the link on the group for the online guys, so everybody will have it. But if you can share the phone, not you can take my phone also. So, we will go step by step, alright? Nobody will start or touch or open anything until unless I tell them to. Okay, even guys online, no opening any tabs, no searching for the answers, nothing. Sure. Okay, so I'm gonna send you the link and I will. The first page should be this, okay guys, online. This should be the first page. Okay. No, wait. This is the page for everybody, right? This is the page? Yes. You make your team 2. Everybody make your team 2, right? Guys online, team has to be made to 2. Okay? Yeah. Okay. I'll tell you guys. Whoever answers from here, right? They get to choose they want to put their point in team A or team B. It's their choice, the online guys. Okay? If the correct answer is given by somebody who's online, they will tell me they want their point to go to team A or team B. Right? Okay. So we're going to start this thing again today.
Turn the camera on. Turn the camera on.
So they can see your face on the camera.
I can just face the camera.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. So I will make it. I'll write Everybody can see, no one can see. Okay. So now, first I'm going to explain what this game is. Alright, guys? Just say start. Just press start. Nothing else, guys. Press start. This is what you should be seeing. Okay? Everybody seen this? Yes. Okay. So now this is how. Has anybody seen this game show? Anybody seen this game show? Okay. So I'm going to explain this to you. Just touch one. Just let it be. Okay? Now here, you can see the things that are written on top, right?
Yes.
These are the categories. You have 5 categories. Fill in the blank, find the mistake, speak it out, choose the correct answer, and arrange the sentence. Right? Any difficulty? Anybody's not understood the category?
No.
I will explain it right now. Later, I will not explain. Once the game starts, then it's points. Okay? Everybody? Okay. So now you see 100, 200, 300, 400. That is your difficulty level. Got it? Yeah. You will be given chance. First 18 goes, then 18 goes. And online, whenever you all know the answer, just tell me and we will stop these people from talking. You tell me, okay, suppose rearrange the sentence 200. Once you are telling me that, then we will press that and the question will come. I want everybody to leave their phones after that is done and give me the answer. So think, if you don't get it right, the question is automatically passed to you guys. Get it? And if it is passed in your answer, you get half the marks. Yeah, thank you. You understood? If the question has been passed and then answer, you get 50%. Okay, alright? Okay, so team A, what do you guys want to start with? No. Anyone, just tell me. Give me one category. Fast. 500 of what? Find the mistake. Okay. So you are telling me find the mistake for 500, right? So touch that. We have to do that. Yeah, we always have to do that. Why not? Of course. What is now? You see the sentence? Yes. I want to know what is wrong in this and what is the right answer. Tell me.
I went to the park and sit on the beach. The sit on the beach is not for me. It ought to be, I went to the park and I sat on the beach.
You're saying 2 mistakes or 1 mistake? 2 mistakes?
It's two.
Okay, so what are the 2 mistakes? Are you ready? Yes.
Wanted and sick.
Perfect. You now, you see the thing on top here?
Yes.
Guys, online you see the thing in the corner? You can just touch the space and you get the answer. This is what you guys said?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so you're going to get 500. So everybody understood what the game is. Yes, ma'am.
Someone is trying to speak something.
So you have got 500.
Now what we are
Okay, guys, online anybody want to?
Now what we are
Okay, so now just go back. However, you will go back on your phone. Okay, guys, online anybody wants to try? I guess no. So we go to.
Yeah.
Okay, someone said yes. Go for it. Tell me what do you want to select? Okay, guys, move slowly because my.
Fill in the blank for 500.
Pardon?
Fill in the blank.
Fill in the blanks. Okay, and what? How many points?
200.
200. Okay, guys, he has selected fill in the blanks for 200. Okay, fill in the blanks. That's what I decide later. So everybody fill in the blanks 200. Press it once. So what is it? Tell me. Should I buy Samsung Dash iPhone?
R.
Okay. Right. No. So it is odd. Tell me now, which team should I give your marks to? A or B?
Yeah.
A. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay.
We are going online.
So once you press the space bar and then go back. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, but that is not fair.
it is very fair.
So I start my online class.
Next time we can go. Okay, come on. Okay, last guy. Fill in the blank 500. Fill in the blank 500. Okay, everybody fill in the blank 500.
So that I can go to.
So कौन से
So that.
So that. Okay, fair enough. So let's see. So, perfect. So you guys get how many? 300.
700.
500. Okay, good. Alright. Now, tell me.
So,
8.
300, rearrange the sentence.
Rearrange 300. Perfect. I like this. Yeah,
Yes,
that is
wants to be an
alright.
astronaut.
You can.
My
Okay,
brother wants
tell
to
me.
be an astronaut.
Repeat.
My brother wants
To be an astronaut.
Okay, now tell the safe part.
My brother wants to be an astronaut.
Perfect. Now, that's very good. So 300 for you.
ये मैम सीधा 500 2000 हो जाएगा 500
Ma'am, choose the correct answer.
Okay, guys, online, tell me.
Choose the correct answer. 400.
Choose the correct answer, 400. Choose the correct answer, 400, guys. Yes, tell me.
These books are belongs to.
The second option?
Yes.
Okay, so press the space bar, that's correct. Who do you want to give these points to?
B, ma'am. B.
Thank you so much. You're going to send some chocolates over. Please give your address, okay? They will Swiggy it to you. Yeah, sure. Rearrange. Okay, guys, we are choosing rearrange 500. Okay? Go ahead. Travelers carry their belongings on their back. Perfect. Anybody who's wrong? So press the space bar, that's exactly what she said.
500.
Right?
Yes, 500.
Alright. So we come to
Choose the correct answer 500.
choose the correct. No worries. Selecting speak it out. It's direct.
What is that? Speak it out.
Find out. Okay. Selected okay. So you are saying choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer for 500, right? Okay. So what is the question?
So easy for 500.
They went to the park, they got there. Very good. So that's 500. Alright.
Ma'am, speak it out 500.
Speak it out 500. Okay. He's selected. Let's see whether he can do that. Who has a timer? Who can give me a timer? Okay. So what is it?
Speak about vacation 5 minutes.
Right. So from 5 minutes you have to start talking. We'll put a timer. Whatever you feel like talking about vacation, you can. Okay. So Harshan is going to start the timer, right?
Yes.
Say 1 to 3 and start for it.
1, 2, 3, start.
Go ahead. Start talking.
We need to talk, ma'am.
You selected this, right? So your task is to talk about vacations for 5 minutes, right? So we've started the timer.
Start.
Start talking.
It started. Pass now.
Do you want to pass this?
To be.
Yeah, I will start now.
You will start, right? Please start it, please. Sorry. Okay, then start. You're
Start.
waiting. I guess I told I'll pass it. No, he said I'll start.
started.
कौन है नाम बोलना लेफ्टी करते हो
Left.
Enough? Because we
Ah, so it comes to us.
finally
Come on,
you.
go for it.
Okay, so you're doing it? Okay.
Yeah,
You have to restart the timer.
Start. So we are going to
3, 2, 1, start.
Okay, so vacations are for us to go and travel somewhere at some destination and enjoy ourselves. That could be on beachside, on mountains, okay, on beachside, on mountains, or wherever our heart wants to go to visit. We go on vacation mostly during summer because it's very pleasant there out there, and even that season is comfortable to everyone. Winters, we don't have much of people like in winter during vacation, but still people prefer winters to go for sightseeing. As in for snowfalls, there are various destinations like Leh Ladakh and even Jammu Kashmir, Darjeeling. All these spots could be, could be chosen for winters, and for summers there are a lot of places. Mostly people like visiting Goa for beaches, and even there are people who like international places for vacations, and it's absolutely like very happening places that are there. I can say about like vacation. My favorite place I want to go for a vacation would be Venice, because it is a place of rivers and lakes. So city on water, which would be really amazing to visit there and have a look at the city. So then
1 minute 47.
and then even there are kids who love to go on vacation on Disneyland. Disneyland is something very like for kids, it is a very fairy tale land type of thing. It's very as I was a kid, I also wanted to go in Disneyland because very nice. Don't distract me. So 2 minutes increase हो जाएगा. And then Disneyland is kids' favorite place. Even it doesn't really mean vacation is going out for long trips or something. We can also go on vacation to our relatives' place. So that we can spend time. So that we could spend time with our relatives and even there are places, yes, as you have said, you love to go to places like Bangkok. There are shopping sites and spas and stuff. So I would really love to visit such places for shopping, which is like cheap marketplaces, and it is really everyone's dream to go on long trips and vacations. Even we got very much tempted by your stories. Like you can say, even old people love to go on vacations, and as they are very, those people are very tired of going to far places. They can still go to places which are nearby to them. Yeah, they leave these places like thank you so much.
Still 1 minute.
We need vacation for calming our minds, to take a break from our daily usual life, and it's really important to give ourselves time and it also makes us energetic, clear our minds, and what else I can say. Okay, almost time.
Half minute.
Yeah, very good. Guys, that was amazing. Such a good sport, yeah. Thank
Hey, no much.
Online, online something is okay because they were giving you all 3 points anyway. And she did a wonderful job. I don't think anybody would stand here and talk for 5 minutes like that.
Also, I give a suggestion. Just give 100 marks.
Yeah.
Then it's Radha.
Next.
Pick it up. Okay.
Yeah.
So all 5 minutes are over.
Yes.
Pick it out for
Pick it up.
Speak it out.
For
For
a
our traveling for
मैं भी टाइमिंग लगा
So she will talk about traveling. Okay, yeah, you can talk about the quality at some point. Okay, yeah. So talk about the benefits of traveling. Why?
Hey, what? You didn't have that. No.
Okay.
That's not
Okay,
fair.
Your time is
4 minutes.
I'm sorry, my bad.
Your time starts now.
Okay, so traveling is like making ourselves feel, making mood fresh and refreshed with the help of the music while traveling, makes us mood clear.
Look at
That's a good point. Pace yourself. That is.
Yeah, and traveling from one place to another, we can find new friends. Strangers become friends. We can make explore new things wherever we want to go. And like while I travel to my native place, there are many greeneries, mountains, places. Many of the new things I explore. While traveling, they give us lots of memories. We can capture the memories in our phone or in camera with whatever we have. Traveling with our friends. Okay, traveling with our friends also gives us many of the memories. We can travel with our parents. And about the places, we get the memory knowledge also. But yeah, don't listen to them.
Pleasure.
Yeah, we get pleasure. If our mood is not good, so we while traveling we can make our mood good.
Just speak. Traveling is not to travel from one place to another.
Yeah,
What mode of transport do you like?
yeah,
What
I
personally,
whatever, anything. I personally like traveling of train because I relate to Konkan, so I go by railways. And Konkan is kind of like giving us peace, silent mode, and
get to try so many
feel the waves. There are many.
cultures you can.
Yeah, there. While traveling, we can explore many of the cultures and we learn so much.
There are many ways of transportation.
There are many ways of transportation for the travelers. They can go by train, they can go by roadways, driving and all.
We can travel domestic or
Yeah, we can travel domestic, internationally,
bikes right now.
within the country, outside the country, we can travel.
Talk about what traveling does for you as a person. You become more open, you're more friendly.
Yeah, if we are shy, then
She was.
So we used to get extra 100 for this.
Continue.
400 या 200
3 minutes. 1 minute space.
No 2 minutes added.
while traveling, if we are shy types of person, while talking to the strangers, we can become open to them, or some of the motivative persons we get while our journey, so we can explore that also.
Help us to survive.
Yeah, help us to survive.
Okay, anybody online wants to go?
Okay, yeah,
What do you want? Rearrange 400. Rearrange 400. Okay. Guys, rearrange 400. Done. I would like to yes, she was interested in the proposal that she said. She said, no, anybody, yes, online, go ahead, tell me.
She said that she was interested in the proposal.
Perfect, very good. Who do you want to give the points to? Something else, right? I'm not, but she didn't tell the answer. पक्का नहीं बोला. First person to say it, they got it right. Now it is on them. Who should I give these marks to?
There is a team online.
For A or B?
Just listen.
I'm asking that there is a team like online.
No, there is no team online. There are only two teams, A or B. You have to give your marks
You
to
tell
us.
me who should I give the marks? Give it to
Yeah.
Thank you, Ignesh. Thank you.
The first answer I hear is the last answer. Okay, it's a game. It's not a discussion. The first answer I hear is the answer.
This is not that is completely
Find the mistake.
Yeah, half the
So many songs. Yeah, seriously, I like that.
Find the mistake for 400.
Find the mistake 400.
Find the mistake.
From the kite.
Is right.
Yes.
Choose the correct answer.
And that is the point.
So that's fill in the blanks 400. Fill in the blanks 400. Okay.
Will.
This is 400, no? Yes.
No,
500. Actually, like 300. No, because you don't have to.
Yeah. That's so much partiality.
Now.
Guys, online anything.
No.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely. Okay.
Ma'am, fill in the blanks. 400.
Fill in the blanks with 100 or 300?
400.
400 is over.
There are only 100 and 300.
300, okay. Tell me.
300. हाँ वो अपने भी आने वाले हैं
After the
Far.
He got it right.
Yeah.
So whom do you want to give the marks?
Two is correct, no?
Yes, 2 is correct.
B, ma'am. B.
B.
Thank you so much.
Thank
इसका
you.
नाम देखो नहीं
Okay, so what do you guys want to do?
Find the
Find the mistake. 300. Online. So find the mistake 300.
I know where the
Very good.
That is true.
No, that's not easy one. Okay. Choose the correct 300. Tell me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Online, anybody?
Rearrange the sentence 200.
Which one?
Rearrange the sentence 200.
Rearrange the sentence 200. Okay, guys, they've selected. Okay, rearrange 200. Tell me. Let them.
Please do not step on the grass.
Perfect. Who do you want to give your marks to? A or B?
B, ma'am.
Very good, very happy.
Take it out.
Speak it out 300, okay. Aircraft. 3 minutes. Anybody else want to do it? I don't want Harshal to come. Anybody apart from Harshal? Anybody?
Ma'am, you all are helping.
I'm not.
So I want to talk about Just time start now. So I want to talk about aircraft. There are many types of jobs. Which we are going to study for now. And there are many things apart from that in aviation right now. There are pilots, there are commercial pilots for aircraft which give instruction to pilots to come down from the ground. So there are many people who are working apart from the aircraft which is flying. Yeah. So we have to be alert on ground too for aircraft. That is not related to it's about aircraft, right? Aircraft is also a good thing. Being in cabin crew is like traveling way part of from domestic and everything. Many countries. Then many states apart from our state. We can visit and have a general knowledge about it. Yeah, that's it.
You can travel to
You are okay, there are many types of aircraft, like there are luggage aircraft. There are many types of aircraft. There are luggage aircraft, there are cargo aircraft, there are passenger aircraft, there are there are many airports. Personal luxury. Yes. Yes. There are private aircraft which there are many cabins like economic. Okay, there are many cabins like economic first class. It has safety equipment. Safety. Ma'am, correct?
Very correct, right?
Safety, right? Safety equipment. How you going to wear a safety is not speaking. Like fire extinguisher. Completely that. मैं बंद लिख के दे दे अभी
अरे हस्बैंड को ना देखना कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा
30 minutes left ना 30 seconds wow
come on
equipment like for long flights which have no brakes or connecting flight and direct flight 20 seconds in cargo aircraft you can carry heavy goods and which are very safe for transporting other than you can travel and it will save your time हो गया good clap guys man you are completely helping
come on the point is that someone will talk, right? This is an exercise for people to come and talk.
Yeah,
what's it down there?
150 no that was
Achalo 150 not that
no he's a new guy he's a new student and still trying so what this is his first lecture yes it's good so give 300
you are not supposed to speak till you score. Yeah, then minus 100 Not bad. Come on, that's easy.
Find the mistake 200.
It's now B. They will do it, then we'll come back to you. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so you are selecting what? Find the mistake 200. Okay. What
He
is
means well.
He means well. Okay. Now online. Tell me. Tell them let's take it up. Guys, online tell me what would you like to do?
Choose the correct answer 200.
Right, that 1 second. What did you say?
Choose the correct answer 200.
Okay, tell me.
There are a family of 4 members.
Option 1, option 2.
There, ma'am. There. There.
That's wrong. You said पहले. Right, A. Group A. Group A.
I can speak now.
No, you can't. I? No. You can speak, na? No pointing up. Otherwise, it's not 100 marks.
I don't know, only 50.
Because this is just 2 minutes.
I guess she traveled from her country,
Yeah,
so like she have a
it is
many
for 2 minutes. Guys, timer of 2 minutes.
Yes.
For COVID,
Yes.
and I can talk about COVID for 1 hour.
There are many things to complain about this.
Exactly.
Your time to start now.
Okay, I would love to talk about COVID. COVID came and brought so many things to the world. It made so many things on hold, and it has put so many people to have a life that they never planned on. So now we're having some things online, and we're also so anxious to come outside to continue our regular life. And COVID also made some things stop, and it also helped computers also to improve. Like those who were like planning on having things online and having people to communicate with. I think COVID made our life more online. We're able to reach out to people online mostly, and it's reduced.
It did a workload of office.
Yes,
Of
it
going to
reduced
the Wow.
Okay, it helps reduce the traffic of going to work every time, like going outside with different things on the road, and
You get more time with your family.
and we're also having guys, we're also having more connection with our families, being at home, and I think from COVID we also had so many inspiration from what we should plan about life and what should be our goal if something like this happens again. And from COVID, different experience came about from COVID, and
Getting restrictions.
different decisions came, and people were like having their own decision on what to do and what not to do, or what to do.
No, it's 10 minutes, 10 seconds.
From COVID also, we
Learn to have it.
Good life. ये उसको बताना, ये उसको बताना. सही से चालू कीजिए. एक दो.
Okay, give me 1 more point and it's done. One more point about COVID and you're done. It is absolutely
from COVID, we were able to get an experience, and I think we are going to like, even when we have our own children, we can tell them, this has got one to play.
Yes, definitely.
Like,
Very good, very good, very good. Half point.
what? No.
Okay, guys.
So, fill in the 100.
Fill in the blank.
In the blank, It's 5 now. So,
Already somebody gets 300. I like apples. And mangoes.
And mangoes. That's $100 stuff easy.
Actually, no.
Yeah.
But possible. Hey guys, online?
ये दे दो
Guys, online? Yes, tell
Fill
me.
in the blank 100.
Fill in the blank is done.
Fill in the blank 100.
We just did it.
Fill in the mistake.
Find the mistake. Okay, find the mistake.
Go
So what is the
forward.
mistake? Hmm?
Go.
Okay, so it should be go.
Work daily.
Right.
1 to 8.
Oh, sorry, who do you want the points to go to? A or B? What?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I don't think the answer is wrong. I typed it wrong. Okay, you did.
Wow.
Okay, next, A. Speak it out 100. Speak it out 100. Okay, who's coming? Who's coming? You come to buy your hobby. You come to that? No, you come. अरे तुम आ Just 1 minute. Okay, it's just 1 minute.
Yes.
Let him talk. Yes.
Your time starts now.
Okay, I love my hobbies because I wanted to be a super shopist. So it's my passion and what? I don't
5 seconds away.
Executing and stock market. I'm more supporting my knowledge is in stock market because I know that I cannot survive through air ticketing about. So that's why I wanted to be a super service also. Can we invest a long term in that and have a good life ahead? We can invest a lot and have a good life future.
हो गया 10 seconds, only 10 seconds. दे दिया सर दे दिया.
Okay. B. Choose the correct.
Where will you be?
Final answer, no?
Done.
Okay. Online, last. Rearrange for 100. Anybody online wants to go for this?
Yes.
Yes, tell me.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, tell me rearrange for 100.
Rahul enjoys playing with his pet dog.
Perfect. Who do you want the marks to go?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
We have 3,900 and they'll get the 3,000.
What? Calculator.
numbers.
3,600 and 3,900. 3,900 and they will give 3,601. 3,601 and we will give
3,800. I guess that one thing.
That is 1.1. That's not 100.
3,700.
Celsius.
Third time. We won by 1 point. We won by 1 point.
If you want, but then you want
Total
and also like you got 3 times from online.
Yeah, that's
Still
not
winning is winning. Like 1 point or 100, right?
No, they should feel regular.
So whoever was giving them. So guys, the B group that has won, okay, by 1 point. I know, ऐसे ही बोल के आए हो लोग. है ना? तो बीच में बोला ना वो 100 है. Just I will make the series more difficult next class. Sure. And I will then you all won't think that this is the first time. I just want to know how well you guys will. Yeah. Next class we will have little more difficult.
Yeah, sure, done.
But same teams.
Yes, same.
I can continue the score.
Same thing. What will you will choose captains and
Choose two captains and we'll make a team.
we'll make a team.
We have 10 minutes.
Okay.
And we will have 5 questions.
Wow.
Okay, sure.
Let's go.
Okay?
Better.
Whatever I know first is the answer.
You know. Grammar.
Okay? I will ask you the question and I will tell you the options. You guys, whoever selects I am not kidding. Any nonsense. Every right answer plus 100. Every wrong answer is minus 100.
50. My negative is only half.
Yeah, actually it is minus marks, which is good. Yeah. What if we genuinely don't know? That's your problem.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will not do anybody and all. I will ask. I will ask the person the question.
From anyone.
One guys. This is your I know. Okay. So what?
And no one is answering. Other than
No,
that.
as the whole team. Teamwork. So then we won't continue with this mark.
So we can discuss.
This is teamwork marks, na? No discussion. I will ask one person and that person represents the entire group. Anybody else talk, it's minus 200. Okay. I dash tennis every Sunday morning. I want you to answer this. Okay, so listen to the options very carefully. I want you guys. Repeat, sorry. Playing, play, and play, and playing. I dash tennis every Sunday morning. Okay? Playing, play, and playing, and play.
No, I didn't say that.
I
didn't say that.
heard.
Guys. I dash tennis every Sunday morning. What is the answer? Play. Aisha?
No, PL.
बोला
Yes, बोला बोले
So you get 100 marks. Okay?
So much cheating.
Don't make so much noise. Ankit, don't make so much noise. Full stop. Ankit dash to study for her test. Tries is trying. It is trying to perfect. Okay.
Sorry, she can't come to the phone. Full stop. She dash a bath. Okay? Having, is having, have, has.
Having.
Having. Pakka. Wrong answer. No, sorry, that's good. So that is minus 100 and you get 100, okay? She is having a bath. She's having a bath is incomplete. She is having. Okay. Babies dash when they are hungry. You will answer, okay? Babies dash when they are hungry. Are crying, cried, cries or cry.
That's face, that's right.
Very good. Very good. Last, okay?
Right or wrong?
Difficult answer. These are all easy. Okay. Jane dash.
Jen.
You will answer, okay? Jane dash her blue jeans today, but usually she wears a skirt. Wearing, wear, is wearing, or Jane dash her blue jeans today, okay? But usually she wears a skirt. Wear, wearing, wear, is wearing. That's the wrong answer. You guys know the answer?
It's wearing. Yeah, minus 100. It's okay, we are having fun.
So you guys same answering. And you all are plus 400. Keep a note of these. Yeah, then I will continue from next time. So that difficult subject. 4,101. Yeah. 500.
No, plus 3,800.
Next level.
ये तो क्या तुमने प्लस माइनस अभी हुआ तो just keep
पहले ऑप्शन बता तू उठा लो
एक होटल डाल के रखो today you guys are done okay today was a very basic one okay. Now from the next time, I'm going to do the same game, but it's going to be a little difficult. Okay, we'll make it 8th grade.
Yes, sure, ma'am.
Okay, this was grade 2.
Level 2.
Grade.
Grade.
School grade 2.
Grade 2.
Second
Second
standard.
standard.
Next
Second
time, we will
standard.
grade 8.
Oh,
They are in
No, in college all this won't be there.
Same thing na tomorrow.
You don't know about.
And there's going to be more debates next time. We have some more debates, some more group discussion. Okay guys, I want you to read the newspaper and be a little aware of what is happening right now in the aviation industry. Already in the aviation industry, we have a debate on 2 topics. Okay? It will be Team A versus Team B.
Like today only.
Yeah.
How we done today? R&D kind of thing.
Okay? Just don't get very real. And any of you guys want this to fill out, I can check it later.
What is this?
You can, whoever, just put a picture on the group. I will give you guys the answers to this as well. Okay? No homework. If anyone wants to.
Attendance. Loving will go down.
Very good. Absent.
क्यों मतलब क्या